Rain to talk about, certainly not what the folks in the Northeast have been suffering with.
Hope not, yeah.
You're also going to turn up the heat on us. What is tomorrow? You said back in the 90s.
Back in the 90s, but kind of typical for July. We've had half as many days in the 90s this year compared to last year, so it's been a little bit cooler and a little wetter as well.
Now that rain, you're saying it's not going to park over us. This is the scattered type that we'd expect in the afternoon. Just
pretty much hit or miss, and we might see a few showers and thunderstorms develop tomorrow evening, but Thursday a bit better chance of some of that rainfall. It is quiet for tonight, and much of tomorrow will be staying dry, but back to some lower 90s for tomorrow and the next several days. And the humidity is really going to crank up on Thursday. 72 right now at Bowman Field, a very light breeze out there, if anything, pretty calm for tonight. 67 right now in Brandenburg, Elizabethtown checking in at 67 degrees, still 74 in LaGrange, so fairly warm out there. 87 our high today, 2 below the normal high of 89, 103 the record back in 1901. Check out the high temperatures today, as we saw in that story from ABC. Very hot, extreme temperatures to the southwest, and then rather cool to our north. So we are kind of in the middle ground here, again, pretty close to normal temperatures. And the middle ground is sometimes the playground for showers and thunderstorms because we're fairly close to the jet stream. Now, the jet stream is that river air well aloft in the atmosphere that kind of guides the storm systems and also separates the cool air to the north from the extreme temperatures to the southwest. So as we sit in that middle ground, we're going to see a more active weather pattern developing, especially again Thursday through this weekend, possibly into early next week. And this weather pattern isn't changing much. You can see the cool air still to the north. Very hot air stays off to the southwest. So the good thing with this pattern, we avoid the dangerous and excessive high heat and humidity that we can sometimes certainly have in July and August. With the jet stream close enough to our region, it's going to provide a daily storm chance. Again, that more wet pattern is going to begin again on Thursday. Notice that correlates as well to our humidity tracker. Humidity stays fairly low for this time of year tomorrow, but wow, we are back at the tropical levels here for Thursday, and the muggy weather continuing through the weekend into early next week. And when we get that mugginess, that just sets the stage for any little disturbance riding down the jet stream that we saw on that map to give us some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Overall, thankfully, the severe weather threat will be very low for us. Max HD radar and satellite quiet. Showers have been up to our north. High pressure still keeping us dry for another day, and futurecast showing a mostly clear sky. Lows in the 60s for tonight. Tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Some hot sunshine. Again, the humidity not too terrible for tomorrow, but really starts to go up with a south breeze on Thursday. Late in the day, especially Thursday evening, this is 6 p.m. Thursday. Notice that's going to be our next best chance of a round of some showers and thunderstorms. So our forecast tonight, clear and mild. Low temps again in the 60s, a little cooler outside the city. Highs tomorrow, upper 80s, lower 90s. We hover around 90 for the next several days, and then upper 80s for this weekend. Just keep that umbrella nearby with that daily chance of some random pop-up storms.